Hey guys, it's Dan with Avantnovis, and this is a tutorial that doesn't waste your time. This tutorial is using the Endless Expanses software. First of all, go here, click this button, make sure they download it, install. Red screen, very good, stuff is working. Make sure you only get it from the website. This is the app, hit run anyways. Installer, location, patience. Open the software, click the Don't Sue Me box, hit enter. Import GLB map. Name it, choose the size. Use to the viewer. Add notes. Edit. Markers. Drag and drop. Or click in place. Whatever works for you. If location is wrong, edit. Grab and hold. You can also adjust the height. Settlements. Grab, drop, name. Right click, move around. Right click, edit. Control scale and where it appears. Again, you can drag or drop or click in place. Travel, show people how long it's going to take to get places. Choose mode of transportation. Plot route. There we go. Add notes. Save file. Save project. Choose place. Name it. Give to a friend. Yay! Open world. Everything is there as you left it. Enjoy.